What's going on, guys? Will Spec here. Today we got a Carli suspension leveling kit with kink 2.5s. And you're probably wondering, why would you level your truck? Historically speaking, trucks are lower on the front to accommodate payloads in the rear. 95% of the time, we're not driving around with a payload. You have companies like Carli that provide you a leveling kit to raise the front end. And you're probably wondering, what are the pros and cons of owning a high-end suspension kit like this? Well, first of all, these are rebuildable. That's a big thing. 2, comfort. 3, you get to keep your factory payload. However, people will be discouraged on the price point. These are kind of pricey. Also, you will have to do some trimming if you decide to go with 37s. 37s is usually the common tire size we usually go with, but with this kit, you will probably do some trimming. And that's it. There's really no other cons with this system. This is going on a 2020 Ram 2500, and we're gonna install it today. Go check it out.